You don't need $10,000 to start a business. You don't need a business degree. You don't need inventory, a warehouse, or a team. You need a laptop, a skill you already have, and 30 minutes to package it. The problem: most people never start because they think they need capital first. So they wait. They research, they watch videos like this one for 6 months and never open a document. Meanwhile, somebody with 300 followers just sold 40 copies of a $15 PDF while they were sleeping. The barrier was never money, it was never having a big audience either. It was just not knowing the process. So today, you're getting the process. The big idea. Here's the shift you need to make. Stop thinking product. Start thinking solved problem. A digital product is just a solution you already have. Put info in a format someone else can buy and use. A PDF guide, a Notion template, a checklist, a swipe file, a system. You build it once, you sell it infinite times. No shipping, no inventory, no reordering stock. Your margin is close to 100%. That math doesn't exist anywhere else in the business. Step number one: find your idea. You don't need a new idea, you need an old result. Ask yourself, what have I already figured out that someone else is still struggling with? Maybe it's how you edit videos faster, how you landed your first client, how you built a workout routine that actually worked for you. If you've solved it once for yourself, you can package it and sell it to everyone, still stuck where you used to be. Step number two: package it, don't perfect it. Open a doc, write down your process step by step, the way you'd explain it to a friend. Doesn't need designers, doesn't need to be 100 pages. 10 to 20 focused pages that solve one specific problem will outsell a bloated 200-page guide every time. People aren't paying for length, they're paying for the shortcut. Step number three: sell the transformation. This is where most people mess up. They post, hey, check out my new PDF. Nobody cares about your PDF, they care about their problem. So instead, do this two-part sequence. Post one, pure value, teach one real insight from your product, zero selling. Post two, show the transformation that insight leads to. Then make the connection. That is, I broke down the entire system inside YouTube, and which will be your product. Step 4: one clear CTA, no pressure. No fake urgency, no buy now before it's gone, no countdown timers on a digital file that never runs out. One clean line does more than any hype ever will. I put the complete system inside the digital protocol. Links below if you want it. That's it. Confidence sells, desperation doesn't. Why this works? This isn't theory. It's just removing the two things that actually stop people: cost and audience size. You don't need capital because you're selling knowledge you already own. You don't need 100k followers because one good post in front of the right 500 people converts better than a viral post in front of the wrong million. Every big creator, business selling templates, guides, and systems today started with exactly this: one problem solved once, packaged, and posted. Now, the recap. 4 steps, $0. Step 1: find a problem you've already solved. Package it into a simple, focused document. Post the value first and one clear CTA with no pressure, no gimmicks. That's the entire $0 business model. The only thing separating you from the person already doing this is starting today instead of next month. If you want the exact done for you framework, how to find your idea, build it, price it, and sell it step by step, I put the whole thing inside the digital protocol. Links in the description if you want it. See you in the next one. Peace.